This was the first time yesterday I came by and he wasn't moving, and then this morning I was trying to shake him. He's stuck.
Alright, let me cover him up.
His leg is stuck in there.
Yeah.
He got tied in the foot, huh?
Yeah, he's got tangled pretty bad.
He's always underneath here, but then he runs away. So I didn't think about it, but then I saw him in the same spot, this morning. And then when I tried to shake him out, he was all in there, and I was like, oh man.
Yeah, he's pretty tangled. We're getting there.
Almost there. One more, buddy.
Wow. Yeah, this is pretty in depth.
He was probably trying to get out, just make it worse.
Yeah.
Alright, buddy, almost there. He's been here, honestly, maybe since the spring. He's always under here. There's been times I come out here with my son and he's waiting there, we lift up the thing and he runs away. So we're like used to seeing him out here, like he likes the comfort of it, I guess.
Yeah.
But then he got jammed up here.
All right. He's good to go. Wait, no. Oh. All right, there he goes. He's good to go.